10 foot 2 inches. Hey, welcome back to the mill, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft and my son
Garrett.
All right, the first time he's actually had any, well, you've been out here before.
Yeah,
you've done something.
A couple times.
So I'm going to kind of teach him how to do it. This is a white oak. I think it was 15 at that end. It's a funky looking log. You can see it's skinny here, bigger there, bigger there. It's shaped kind of like an hourglass. But it's a white oak and he needs it for some...
Gonna post it in the ground for string lights.
Yeah, you know, those decorative lights. So we chose a white oak because he is going to bury it, and we'll burn the ends before he hauls it out of here today. So it should be 6 or 7 cuts, and let's get this going. Lower it too, those stops now. Go to 8, right? Yep. So at 8, I just clear those stops. I mean, it makes me pushing that, yeah. Oh, these will be great for what you're doing. These will be nice posts.
Yeah, it's gonna look good.
We're done.
Heck yeah. That is one nifty contraption you made. That sure makes things easier.
Having your old lumber yard, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we got our 4x4s out of that. Garrett, you happy?
Oh, I'm happy.
All right, we're gonna put them in his truck. We're gonna load them up and burn the ends, and that'll do it. All right, guys, if you like this video, it's like all my other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. Take care. All right, you can put them.
All right.
I'm gonna move this further back. A little bit of rot in that one I see.
Oh, that's all right.
Oh, I don't have my leaf blower out here. That's right, I was charging it. Yeah, leave the ends hanging out so we can burn them. It'll only take about 5 minutes to burn the ends.
Sounds good. We just take a torch and...
I have a Bryce's big rosebud torch.
Oh.
Heavy?
Not too bad.
Yeah.